Well, good morning, YouTube. I am gonna do a movie on this Hoover Convertible picking crap up off the back porch. Now, I was putting the belt on it, and there's something that caught my eye. I was cleaning out the back in here, and this leaf was in there. And this is something that I noticed. Over the fan, there is a thin sheet of metal down here. And you have about an inch width the space to clean it out, and you could end up slicing your thumb or any finger open. But let's put this back together and make a video. Get this movie started. Now, if any of you are wondering why I'm doing this so early, it's because, well, my mama's sick and she's still laying in bed. She'd usually be up by now. And I just got bored, so I'm just going to do a vacuum movie to pass the time. So, let's fire this up, see how it works. Well, we know how it works. Sorry, I just got up not too long ago, but let's start anyway. Oops, power bar ain't on. I'm gonna go ahead and go over there on that rug. Turkey bird. This thing, I would say that if I had to choose between a Eureka Sanitaire commercial vacuum and a Hoover Convertible, I would choose the Hoover Convertible. Because this thing is a monster when it comes to dirt and other crap. Now, next up, I am looking for a Hoover Jr. Dirt Searcher. If any of you have one that you would like to trade or sell it, I would be happy to trade one of my vacuums for it. But I will not trade my Hoover Convertible, my Sanitaire, but I will trade like my Dirt Devil Platinum Force, which is down, you can't see it because the plastic is up. It's down there in the shed. And I will also be happy to trade I think it's the Auric XL. Because, well, really my mom don't want me to get rid of that because it works real good. But I would really prefer to trade just the Dirt Devil Platinum Force. Well, really, she don't want me to get rid of any of my vacuums. But I would like to buy a Hoover Junior Dirt Searcher. I would rather buy it than to trade it, because pretty much all my vacs work great. The only one that still has problems is the Sanitaire. I got the Kirby. I figured out why it wasn't sucking up hardly anything. The tube where the crap goes in to the bag was clogged up. I'm sorry if you're hearing too much bells. It's just Charlie playing with her stuff. And anyway, there we have it. Hoover Convertible. Heavy duty.